ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide.
Welcome everybody, what is the crack? I'm the Rusty Bartender, and today's cocktail is the Irish Maid. So this cocktail is actually a drink that's actually pretty close to my heart. It was actually made by a Belfast bartender called McGarry. You may have heard of him. He's from the New York bar, The Dead Rabbit. Back in the day, back in Belfast, when he was working at a bar called The Apartment, don't know if he ever remembers this, but he actually taught me how to make cocktails. Name dropping aside, let's get into this drink. So basically the Maid is a particular style of drink. It's in its own category. You've got your spirit, you've got your sweetener, you've got cucumber, and you've got citrus. So in this drink today, we've got Tullamore Dew as our Irish whiskey, Saint Germain, elderflower liqueur, simple syrup. We've got lemon juice and some cucumber. We are ready to rock. I'm excited about this drink because I already know it's going to taste good even before we try it. If you haven't made one of these before, get this on your rotation. You could almost fool yourself into thinking this cocktail is actually good for you. Vitamin C from lemon. Cucumber, one of your 5 a day. All right, so we're going to grab a cocktail tin and we're going to add 3 slices of cucumber. And we're going to gently muddle this. Just releasing all those lovely cucumber juices. You don't want to press too hard on this because if you keep muddling it hard, the cucumber is actually going to become bitter. You don't want that. You want to keep a bit of sweetness. We've got 2 ounces of our Irish whiskey, Tullamore Dew. Tullamore Dew is probably one of the most underrated Irish whiskies out there. Smooth and reasonable for its price. We're going 1/2 ounce of our elderflower liqueur. Then we're going to go 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Fresh is best, so three-quarters. And then same again, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. I'm actually organized today. I've actually brought my ice bucket with me. We're going to give this a nice shake. And we are going to put this in a rocks glass. And strain in. Just using my fine strainer, just get any bits of cucumber that are left in the tin. Okay, garnish for this one. Grab yourself a nice slice of cucumber and mint sprig. And there you go, guys. What do you think? Give it a sip. Oh my God. This drink is delightful. It's so fresh. Yeah, considering there's 2 ounces of whiskey, you can still taste it, it's present. But the burn's gone. You get the elderflower, you get the cucumber. Cucumber gives it a really nice coolness. And the lemon just brightens everything up. The mint is really nice as the garnish too. You get the mint on the nose. This is delicious, guys. Give this one a try. Cheers. Here's the next one.